Hey guys, welcome back. I am finally getting around to doing a tasting video of my flat white coffee milk stout. So I've just gone out to the garage and poured a glass up off the keg. So yeah, it's been in the keg for around 4 weeks now. So I thought it was probably a good amount of time just to let it do its thing in the keg before I did a video. So yeah, very happy with how it looks. Super dark colour, a little tiny bit of light in the bottom, but yeah, pretty much pitch black. Holding on to a sort of relatively small but creamy sort of cap there. Sort of a light tan colour. Not sure if that's showing up on the cameras, but yeah, happy with the appearance. So if you didn't watch the brew day video, this beer was inspired by a beer made by this brewing company here, 8 Wide. So they do a flat white coffee milk stout. I couldn't unfortunately find the recipe for that, so I had to sort of put my own one together. So before we dive into the beer, I will just quickly run through the recipe. So yes, flat white coffee milk stout, 4.5%. Started at 105.2, finished at 101.8. So the grains quickly. This is pretty much all Gladfields malt, so it's Ale Malt, 72%, light chocolate, 9.4%, Flaked Oats, 5%, Lactose, 6.7%, medium crystal, 5%, and Roasted Barley, 2%. And then it's hot with Fuggles, and then was fermented with US-05, 35 IBUs, and about 51 SRM in colour. So yeah, there it is there. So looking forward to sharing this with you guys. So I think I said in my previous video, now that we're into the sort of cooler months of the year, I wanted to sort of do more of a malt forward beer. So that was the inspiration behind this. So cheers guys, we'll get a nose on it. Forgot to mention the coffee in the recipe, one of the most important parts. So Mrs. Dino kindly ground up 50 grams, I think it was, of fresh coffee beans, and that's definitely coming through on the nose straight away. It's a nice like still like a fresh coffee aroma on the top, which is really good considering it's been in the keg for 4 weeks. So that hasn't dissipated at all. I have been doing little tasters along the way. And then some nice sort of dark roast and a little bit of like sweet chocolate as well on the nose. So yeah, smells really inviting. So before we dive in, you may have noticed that the head is sort of quickly disappearing. The main reason for that, even though it's got lactose and oats in it, is the oils and the fats in the coffee beans sort of kill the head, so that's why it's sort of disappearing. So we will dive in quickly. That's really nice. More of the coffee on the flavour, more of the nice roast, dark roast. Now I'm getting some really nice chocolate as well. So I went with the light chocolate. So it's more of a sort of a dairy cream sort of chocolate taste rather than the dark chocolate. Really nice creamy mouthfeel. From those oats, and I imagine the lactose as well. And then it's got a real nice hit of sweetness there, but it's not like overpowering. It's just it's just really nice level. Almost like a touch of smoke on the nose there when I just went in for another smell. Really pleased with how it's come out. Very, very easy drinking at 4.5%. Yeah, like I say, a nice easy drinking milk stout, and that coffee's just sort of kicked it up a few notches and added a few more layers of flavour there. What else can I tell you? There's a good amount of bitterness there as well up front. But yeah, it's got a nice mouthfeel to it. It's not too heavy going, it's not too rich, but it's also not thin. It's definitely, sort of think of maybe a slightly, I was going to say a beefed up Guinness, a Guinness with a bit more body to it, but still not like a heavy going stout. Yeah, the dark flavours in there are really nice, sort of all work well together. The chocolate, the dark roast, the coffee, the sweetness from the lactose. Yeah, no, it's good. Very happy with that. Even though the head's died away, it's still holding on to a nice little ring there. We got a little bit of lacing as well. So yeah, that's definitely one I will brew up again. Not sure I'd change much. Yeah, I think the coffee level's good. Don't think I'd want to add any more coffee. It's got a good level of chocolate. Could possibly change the light for a dark and see how that affects the flavour. Good level, the oats and the lactose giving it a nice creamy mouthfeel, so I think that's at a good level as well, so I'm not sure I'd change much there. So yeah, all in all, very happy. So that's me done, guys, but I have brewed up another beer earlier, or just under a week ago, so I'll do a separate video for that and just let you know what that beer is and what the recipe is. But in the meantime, enjoy good beer, enjoy the weekend. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Cheers guys, over and out.